Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need one of these, SIM eject tool. This comes provided with a device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you have one of those, let's start out by actually taking off the cover if you have one on your phone. I do, as you can see, so here you go, pop it off, and then you will find your SIM tray at the bottom of the device. So take the tool, push it in, the tray will pop out just a slight bit, as you can see right here. So now, using fingernails, you want to just grab it, yank it out, and we do unfortunately have space for only a SIM card, or two of them more precisely, so we'll be able to insert an SD into it. Anyway, once you grab your SIM card, slap it on the tray with the chip side upwards, like so, and then insert it back into the device. I am holding it upside down, so whoops, it did pop out, so it's just, for some reason it's not really holding the card very well. Check something quickly. Normally it should hold the card. Oh, this one is holding. So this one is a little bit, I don't know, weirdly cut. So anyway, once you have it on the tray, it shouldn't really pop out, but if it does, hold it securely in place and then insert it into the device. And there is the pin for the SIM card. And there we go, it's now unlocked. So that is how you would insert your SIM card into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.